Hello unique viewers, you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to make this turban design. Without taking much of your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. Please guys, note, for this tutorial, you must use a stretchy fabric. Stretchy fabric is more easier, though you can use non-stretchy, but I prefer using a stretchy fabric for this project. And what I will be using is poly material. The material, this particular one, will be used for the back, and it measures 25 inches length by 23 inches width. 25 inches length by 23 inches width. So I'm on the right side, not on the back side. On the right side of the fabric, you start by marking 3 inches down. 3 inches. Just watch the way I'll be doing it. So I'll be marking 3 inches into 5 times 3 inches. So make sure you take your tape to the right point and mark 3 inches. So I'll be doing this all over the fabric. I'll be marking it all over the fabric. So guys, you can see the way I did my own marking. You can see it. Please, if you have your ruler, rule it down, and don't forget to mark on the right side, not on the wrong side. The front of the fabric, that's where you do your marking. So if you watch closely, you will see that I'm done marking 3 inches throughout the fabric. So next now we're doing is to mark 1 inch. 1 inch. Watch the way I'll be marking the 1 inch throughout again. Alright guys, I'm done with the marking. You can see how it looks. 1 inch. 1 inch. That's the last one I marked. Alright guys, if you have your ruler, you can connect these lines, but I didn't do it on mine. I didn't do it on my own. So if you have your ruler, please connect them together. Don't even understand, for beginners. So next thing I'll be doing is to show you how to sew. So once you are done marking it, you fold your fabric this way. Then you adjust the material, bend it this way. Then use your pin to guide it before sewing. You can see I'm done holding everything down with my pin. So please, while sewing, try to shift your hands more from that white line, the front line, this one. Take your hand down small, or you can insert your boning wire inside here. Insert your boning wire, then sew. It's still allowed. You can insert your boning wire in this fabric, then sew down. But for me, I didn't do so. What I just did is just to fold it this way, then take it to my sewing machine and sew down. I didn't sew exactly on that line. What I did was I shifted my hands more. Like I went down a bit. I didn't stuck on the line. I jumped the line small. So it entered the boning wire I will attach inside. So guys, what I'm holding now is for the band, and it measures 23 inches length by 4 inches width. This is the right side. Understand? This is the right side, and this the back is the wrong side. So you make the right side to face you, then you tack it down with your sewing machine. Alright, this is the outcome of what I sew. You can see the way it looks. Yes. So guys, next thing we're doing is to attach the band. You fold the band into 2, then use your scissors to notch the center. Do same for the fabric and attach it. guys, I'm done sewing. I can see the outcome. This is the front view and this is the back. Okay, so next thing I'll be doing now is to attach my boning wire. Yes, that's the next project. So you can see the 5 lines. Don't know if you can see it very clear. This is the 5 lines. Yes, so I'll be attaching the boning wire now, which will make it to stand. This boning wire is 1/2 inch boning wire. You can see it. It's the non-sewable one. You can use the sewable one, the one that can be sewn. I'll be showing you how it is the 1/2 inch boning wire. So I'll be inserting it here. The measurement is 23 inches length into 3. That is 23, 23, 23, then 22, 17. The first 3 lines I'll be inserting 23 inches. The 4th line 22 inches and the 5th line is 17 inches. So I don't know if you get it. So we have 23, 23, 23, 22 and 17. So next thing I'll be doing is to start inserting it. Alright guys, you can see I'm done inserting the boning wire and this is the outcome. So next thing I'll be doing is to sew the back of the fabric. You can see how it looks. Yes. So guys, I'll be showing you how to tack the back. Just watch closely and see what I'll be doing. Alright guys, I'm done pinning everything down, so I'll be sewing it down this way. Okay, take it to your sewing machine and sew down, and this is the outcome. You can see the way it looks. Alright, I'll be forming my gathers. Please watch the way I do the gathering. To gather this turban is quite different from others, so watch the way I'll be gathering it. guys, thanks for staying up to this time. You can see the way it looks. It has not finished though. Yes, the last stage is to gather the back from the front. So don't be in a hurry to cut this video. Please don't cut it off now. Just watch the way I complete the finished look from the back. So you can see the way it looks. Yeah, this turban is quite simple and lovely. So let's move straight to the last stage, which is gathering the back, so it will be neat. Just watch closely and see it. It's quite easy. Please guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank those that have been liking my videos, sharing it, commenting, those that have subscribed, those that have joined Unique Divas family. You guys are indeed a blessing to me. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. For those that have not subscribed yet, please do so. Join this family and hit that notification bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you find any of my videos helpful, don't hesitate to like the video. If you have questions, you're still allowed to ask questions. You can also join our WhatsApp group. Yes, I have a WhatsApp group where you can share questions and rub minds together. Indeed, your girl Unique Nelo is so grateful to you guys. I'm also grateful to this YouTube group. See, without you guys, this group will not be in existence. So this YouTube channel won't make sense. So I really love you all. I want to appreciate you for your likes, for your comments. Thanks. I'm so grateful. So guys, we'll continue to tack the back down till you finish it and the turban cap is ready. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, do so and join this wonderful group. I'll be posting other new tutorials that will be helpful. And God bless you all. Love you. Bye. Please watch to the end and see the way I rock this turban. So guys, you can see the outcome of the turban. Yes, this is how it looks. I also used some embellishment, some fancy to design the top part. You can do so if you wish. See you guys next time. Bye.